In this video, students, we are going to draw the Lewis structure of C2H6. Students, we know that ethane is called hydrocarbon because it contains carbon and hydrogen. To draw the Lewis structure, first of all, we have to calculate total number of electrons. So students, our first step is that calculate total number of electrons. Students, we know that carbon is present in group 14, so it provides 4 electrons for bonding. So, 2 carbon atoms provide 8 electrons and hydrogen is present in group 1. But 6 hydrogen atoms provide 6 electrons. So, we have total 14 electrons. And we have to distribute these 14 electrons between 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms. We have to distribute these 14 electrons among 8 atoms, which are 2 of the carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms. Students, we know that the other rule is that hydrogen atom is present outside the molecule. So carbon is present in the center. So students, carbon, carbon, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen and this hydrogen. So we have arranged both of the carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms around these 2 carbon atoms. So students, first of all, to represent a single covalent bond, we place a pair of electrons between every carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen atom to complete duplet of hydrogen and octet of carbon atoms. Now students, we count the total number of electrons: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So since total 14 electrons are present, and we have distribute all these 14 electrons between 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms. So in this way, students, every hydrogen atom completes its duplet and every carbon atom complete its octet. So this Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure of ethane C2H6. And students, we represent all the bond, or we treat all the bond as a single covalent bond. Students, this Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure for methane, which is C2H6. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.